fully aboard the train until I get the 2 words, all clear. Then it will be safe to disembark. Once again, the train is still in motion, so please remain fully seated, fully aboard the train with our hands, arms, feet, and legs safely inside those green bars. Thank you. Remain fully seated. You are now all clear to disembark. Welcome to Frontierland Station.
That's what the big it's such a nice like reprieve. You look at you just sit there and kind of shady right here. Shady right here, man.
Did she realize the whole point that you were thinking was just that he thought that she was coming? Like,
They should just eat it. What's already done?